In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report in Whatagraph. There are 3 smooth ways to get started: building from a blank canvas, using a ready-made template, or letting Whatagraph IQ assemble a draft for you with AI. I'll walk you through each option so you can choose the best fit for your workflow and reporting needs. If you prefer full control, start from a blank report. Log into your Whatagraph dashboard and click the Create New button in the top right corner. Choose Blank, and you'll land on a clean page where you can design from scratch. This approach is perfect when you already know the exact metrics, layout, and branding you want. Begin by deciding on the story your report should tell: monthly performance, campaign results, or a cross-channel snapshot. Then add widgets that support that story. You can bring in charts, tables, and scorecards, connect them to your data sources, and style them with your colors and titles. Keep sections focused, group related metrics together, and be consistent with date ranges so comparisons are clear. A quick tip: plan the flow of insights first, then populate the widgets, which helps avoid clutter and makes the final report easier to read. If speed and consistency matter, start from a template. Click Create New again and select Create from Template. Browse or filter by the type of report you need: web analytics, social media, or PPC, so you're not starting from zero. When you select a template, it opens with pre-built widgets mapped to common KPIs. Review the layout section by section and tailor it to your goals. Remove blocks that aren't relevant, tweak labels to match your terminology, and adjust visual styles to fit your brand. It's a good practice to double-check each widget's data source and date range, especially if you manage multiple accounts or regions. Templates are a great way to keep stakeholders aligned because they promote a repeatable structure month after month. If you want a head start with insights, use Whatagraph IQ. Click plus New Report and select Create with IQ. Choose a connected data source and type a clear prompt like Monthly Marketing Report. Whatagraph IQ will generate a full report layout with insights based on the data it can access. You can refine the prompt to emphasize specific channels or KPIs, and then edit the generated sections to match your voice. Treat the AI output as a strong first draft. Validate calculations, adjust commentary where needed, and expand on any highlights or anomalies you want to explain in more detail. And that's it. Whether you build from scratch, lean on a template, or jumpstart with AI, you now have a clear path to creating polished, insightful reports in Whatagraph.